All right, guys, let the rescue begin. This is the jackfruit rescue. In the cup, we're going to put 4 cups of romaine lettuce soil. Why, Felicia? Why, Felicia, are you using that soil? Because, guys, this soil has a lot of microbes in it that is actually good for the jackfruit plant. It is light and airy, as you guys can see. Now, in the bottom of the cup, in the container actually, we're going to use watermelon soil. Yes, watermelon soil. Why, Felicia, are you using watermelon soil? We're using watermelon soil because when the root gets to the bottom, this has a lot more dense nutrients for the plant. So we're going to use just a little bit at the bottom. Just a little bit to cover the holes. Okay. And then we're going to put in the 4 cups of romaine lettuce soil. Now, remove all the roots out of your soil when you are reusing soil, guys, if you can. Like, if you catch little strings like that, just take them out. It's okay to reuse soil. We ain't got time to be buying all that soil outside. No, no, no. Okay? And then we're going to use some vermiculite, coarse, because it actually will provide moisture for the plant and you won't have to water it as much, okay? And it looks like this. Okay? Just gonna sprinkle some in there. Not that much. And mix it. I'm not even gonna fill this up because it's still a little baby, you know? If I were to fill it up, I think it's just gonna smother it. So I'm just gonna treat it like a baby, like I do my other plants. Okay, hold on, guys. Now I'm gonna go ahead and water it really quick. Like I told you earlier, guys, I do like to leave my water out for at least 2 hours to actually take the chlorine and the fluoride out of it. Yes, it's just better for your plants, in my opinion. Which one are we gonna rescue first? Well, we're gonna start with this one, of course. Okay, so I'm just gonna be gentle. I left it out for 24 hours so that it can kind of dry up. Look at it. So this is definitely damaged from it being too close to the light. Yep. So I am going to do some surgery. I'm going to remove it right there. Pinch it off. And pinch this one off. And also this one. They're all damaged. We're just going to leave the one for photosynthesis. And that is the root. Still very... Just going to clean it up a little bit, guys. So we can get a good look at the roots. Yes. Still nice and healthy. We can rescue it. Yep. Let's go. Okay. My little tool. I don't know where it is, so I'll just stick my finger in there. Alright. Hers planted. Hers planted. One more. And I will let you guys go. I'm sure you don't want to watch the full surgery, do ya? I don't know. Let's see how many I can do without boring ya. Let's see. Now this one is probably really deep in here. I'm kind of struggling to get it out. Let's see if it's loose. Nope. It's not loose yet, guys. Okay, there it goes. Wow. Look at them roots, baby. Let's clean it up. Nice, nice. Now, I know this is also leaf burn, but the yellow is also magnesium deficiency. Yes, it is. It is. So we're going to remove this leaf. We're going to remove this leaf. And we're also going to remove the lower leaves as well. And we're going to leave the one for photosynthesis. And that's it, guys. I'm going to get them planted now. Okay? So if you want me to keep going, I am going to continue the video.